5 things poor people waste their money. I will show you 5 things that the poor waste money on, and the last item on the list will surprise you, so stay until the end, to not miss any details. 1. Gambling. It is very likely that your ambition will make you want to spend more and more, which will make you spend all your money in a matter of minutes. Luck is for mediocre people. Success is for those who don't rely on luck. Always remember that. 2. Buying a house. One of the main mistakes that poor people make is getting into debt to buy a house, which can be completely destructive to their economy. Putting all your assets, all your savings and possibly your debt in one place is risky. 3. Paying for a gym without commitment. According to statistics, around 61 million people were gym members in 2017. But reports show that almost 70% of students with memberships stopped using them after the first few months. 4. Luxury brands. The poor buy things they don't need regardless of the price. We know that millionaires can afford fashionable clothes, mansions, luxury cars and designer clothing among other things. 5. Watching TV and playing video games. An important fact revealed by Warren Buffett is that middle-class and lower-class households waste time watching television or playing video games. This is much more common in these households than in wealthier homes. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share